In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a TXT record in GoDaddy in just 5 minutes. This is an essential skill when you need to verify your domain for various online services or configure your domain settings. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your GoDaddy account. Head over to their website, and once logged in, you'll be taken directly to your product page. Here, you'll find a list of all the domains you own and manage. This is where you'll begin the process of adding a TXT record. It's important to ensure you're in the right account and seeing your correct domain list to avoid any confusion later on. Next, from your product page, select the domain you'd like to manage. After selecting it, you'll be directed to the Domain Settings page. This page gives you a comprehensive overview of your domain's status and settings. Navigating through this page efficiently will help you manage your domain settings smoothly. Now, let's focus on the DNS settings. You'll need to locate the section labeled DNS on your domain settings page. Click on it to view your domain's DNS records. DNS, or Domain Name System, is essentially the phone book of the Internet. This is where you can make adjustments to your domain settings and add new records when needed. Once you're in the DNS management area, there's an option to Add New Record. You'll want to select this option to initiate the process of adding a new TXT record. When prompted, choose TXT from the Record Type drop-down menu. The TXT record type is specifically used for carrying text information related to the domain, often for verification purposes. Here's where we get into the specifics of the TXT record you're adding. You'll need to enter the host value provided by the service you're verifying. This could be @ for the root domain, or it might be a specific subdomain depending on what you need to verify. Next, input the TXT value provided by the service. This is not just gibberish, it's a unique identifier crucial for verifying your domain. Another field you'll see is TTL, which stands for Time to Live. This determines how long the DNS record should be cached. Typically, the default setting is 3,600 seconds, or 1 hour, and it's generally fine to leave it as is, unless you have specific instructions to change it. Finally, hit the Save button to add the new TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. It's always a good idea to double-check that all the information entered is correct before saving, as errors here might lead to verification failures or other issues. And there you go. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a TXT record to your domain on GoDaddy. This should now help you with anything from verifying your domain for email setup, site configurations, to integrating with third-party services. Make sure to allow a little time for the changes to propagate across the Internet. Thank you for watching, and if this guide was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this one.